Hi guys, I figured that I might do an install guide for openSUSE in VirtualBox. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do now. So let's head over to opensuse.org. This is a German Linux distro. There are two versions. There's a licensed one that's just called SUSE. Just like Red Hat, it has a license to it. But there's an open one. There's an open version of SUSE. Just like CentOS is the open version of Red Hat. So, Leap is apparently the latest release. So, install Leap. openSUSE Leap 15.3. Okay. Download. Let's see here. Offline image, yes. We want this. And we'll save this to the desktop. Just for simplicity reasons during this guide. Okay, okay, looks like it's gonna take a while, so I might cut out this part. Okay guys, the download is complete and we have the ISO file right here. Cool. All right, so let's create a new virtual machine. Let's call this one open or SUSE. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's SUSE because it's a German distro. Oh, oops. Wait, is it? Yeah. Yeah. All right. Give it 2 gigs of RAM. Create virtual hard disk. Create VDI. Next dynamic. Yep. And we'll make it 20 gig. That should be enough. All right, cool. Now let's go into settings. We want bidirectional clipboarding. And system EFI. I'm not sure if if this requires EFI. We'll see. Two CPUs. Display. Usually I set this to 32. Now 16 is probably fine, but I figured why not. Enable 3D acceleration. Yeah. Storage. Here's the disk. And here is the where we need to attach the ISO file. So, all right. Wait, can I? Well, I have to delete it manually. openSUSE. Yeah, I was testing a little bit with Mac OS, but I couldn't get it to work, so I'll have to. Wait, what? No. No, not Mac OS. openSUSE. There we go. Okay. And let's see. Anything else? Audio network. I use bridged. Airport USB shared. Oh yeah, the shared folder. Yeah, I have the shared folder in here. VM share. Auto mount / chat. Just so I can copy things back and forth between the Linux VM and the Windows machine, the Windows host. Now, one thing to mention about this is that in order for this to work for normal users, you have to make sure that the user has to be in a group called, I think it's called the VBox SF or something like that. So make sure to do that. Otherwise you'll have to do it as a root if you want to copy stuff from there. Okay, I think we should be ready, and let's start it up and see what happens. Exciting. I actually never installed openSUSE before. Never, ever. Installation. All right, here we go. Now, I don't know what window manager it comes with as standard. I think it's KDE, but I could be wrong. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. Maybe it's GNOME or something else. Or maybe I can choose which one I want. We'll see. We will see. All right. It's checking some hardware stuff, and okay, here we go. All right. And let's just wait a little bit to make sure that it is ready to go. I think it is though. No? No, apparently not. Guess we'll have to wait a little bit. Okay, there we go. Language English, keyboard. For me, it's Swedish. There we go. Yep, works fine. And I have to scroll down, I think, to... Well, maybe. Okay. Next. Online repositories. Enabling the online repository during installation. Activate online repository. Yes. Okay, here we go. Here we can choose some additional online repositories. Okay, so these are the standard ones. And apparently you can choose with the backwards could be good to have. Update repository, debug, untested updates, source. Actually, I'm gonna check all of these because who knows? I mean, why not, right? Yeah. Gonna add all the repositories. I don't really see a reason why not to add all of them, to be honest. So might as well add all of them. It's not gonna install anything from those extra. Just gonna import untrusted GNU PG key. Well, sure. I mean, I guess this is the installation, so sure. It's a little bit weird that they're untrusted though, but whatever. Maybe there's a reason for it. I don't know. Oh yeah, here we can choose the window manager. Okay, so apparently KDE GNOME XFCE generic desktop graphics reduced packages intended as a base for customized software selection, and server if you don't want a GUI. If you want to set up a server, you don't need a GUI, right? But I'm gonna set this up as a desktop. So I'm actually gonna choose KDE because I haven't used KDE in a really long time. I didn't like it back in the day, but that was like a long time ago. I'm talking like 20 years ago, or at least 10 years ago. 10, 15 years ago, yeah. So let's see how this looks, because GNOME is so bloated. KDE, I think, is really bloated as well. Obviously, XFCE is really lightweight and nice, but I've used it quite a lot, and yeah, so I'm not gonna choose that one. Otherwise, this is a really good one. It's a really lightweight and works really nice. It's also really customizable, which is nice. But we're gonna choose KDE Plasma here to see how it looks. All right, next. Yes. Let's see. 8 meg for the BIOS, 18 for the root, and 1.3 gig for swap. Yep, that is fine. We don't need anything special partitioning setup right now for this. Yes. Oh, yeah, it's the package manager for SUSE, I think. Okay, so region Europe. Now this should have chosen Stockholm or Sweden, because I chose Swedish keyboard layout, so that's a little bit, but whatever. It's fine. I can set it manually. That's fine. Okay, so next. All right, create new user. User full name. Check. And the password. Use this password for system. Wait, what? Use this password for system administrator. No. Well, I don't really know what they mean. I mean, do they mean it's gonna set the same password for root? Or does this mean that I'm gonna use this password to do sudo stuff? Automatic login, no. Okay, so let's uncheck those, because those seem a little weird, to be honest. Okay, next. Okay, here we go. Password for root user. Yep. Test keyboard layout. Yep, works fine. Import public SSH key. I don't know why that shows up there. To see the ROM. A little bit weird, but okay. Next. Right. Evaluating packaging. Booting software. Okay. Security. CPU mitigation auto. Firewall will be enabled. Good. SSH be disabled. Yeah, because we don't need SSH right now. We can turn that on later if you want to. But for now, this is going to be a desktop computer. So we don't need an SSH service. SSH port will be blocked. Well, I mean, sure, it's a little bit unnecessary since the SSH service is disabled, but whatever. I guess, sure, fine. SC Linux default mode is disabled. Policy hit network configuration, use network manager. Yeah, I guess that works. Yeah, it's fine. Confirm installation. Yes, install. Here we go. Warming up, performing installation. All right. Now, this is gonna take a while as well, so I might cut this out. We'll see. Okay, so we are getting ready for the next step. Let's see. Okay, the system will reboot now. Okay. All right, cool. Does it boot automatically, or do I have to actually press enter? openSUSE Elite 15. All right, here we go. And then obviously what we're gonna do is once we booted it up and logged in, we're gonna install the well, first of all we're gonna update the system. Okay, cool. This looks pretty cool. What happens if I do this? Okay, yeah, we need the guest additions. But okay, let's go. Exciting, man. How are you? This is openSUSE. Yeah, we don't need this close. All right, cool. So, devices insert guest additions. Okay. All right. Software updates. Can I update them? Here, install updates. Yeah, let's do this first, and then make sure that yeah, we can do that while we're doing this. Wait, settings, storage. Yeah, did not remove that. Okay, that's probably why guest additions failed. Okay, we can have that open and where's it? Like so, there we go. Okay. Update error. Oh, wait, what? Patch conflicts. Okay. I mean, okay. Okay. Install updates. Update error. This is a completely new installation, man. Like, why? Why does it have errors while updating? Like, can't you? Like, what? Install updates. Update error. Like, this is a new installation, man. Why? Why do you have an update error for a new installation? Oh well. Never mind. Oh my god. Okay, insert guest additions. Open with file manager, I guess. So, okay, so we need a terminal. Where's the terminal? Here's console with a K. All right, this this transparency effect is pretty cool. Let's see. It was okay. So right. So what? Wait, password for root? What? What? Okay, this is this is so strange. Okay, I mean I did a sudo, not a su. All right, well, whatever. Wow, this is weird. Okay, yeah, this is already pretty weird. Uh, anyway, um, run media. Okay, so we need to run the VirtualBox Linux editions, right? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Was everything successful? Okay. All right. No. Oh, there's the timer. Okay, I didn't see it at first. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I was gonna say, like it should boot automatically. I shouldn't have to type enter. Okay, yeah. I didn't see the counter. It was so small. Okay. All right. All right. Now let's do a full screen test. Yay! It worked. Awesome. I'm gonna pin this so I can have that because I like to have that up. Now, okay, this is nice. Mm, I would like this panel to be smaller though. Edit panel. Can I like more settings? Can I like make it smaller? Edit panel. Screen edge. What's that? Click and drag the button to a screen edge to move the panel. No. No, I want it at the bottom. But height. Okay. That, yeah, there. Yeah. There we go. Awesome. Perfect. Okay, great. Yeah. Yeah, that's much better. Yeah. It was a little bit too big for my taste. Okay, configure desktop. All right. Wow, everything seems really snappy and fast actually. That's super nice. Let's see if we can make like a dark theme or something like that. Icons, filter. No, everything is good there. So it's probably not in their activities. No. Okay, so we don't need that. What we need is like system settings. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so global theme. Ah, here we go. Wait, what? Nothing changed? What did it? Apply. Ah, yes. Perfect. Yeah. There we go. Yes. This is much more my taste. Awesome. Cool, man. All right. Now this is the work. Okay. So yeah. So I guess it's, what is it? Oh, it's probably Control Alt, but that's being captured by the VirtualBox. Okay, so Firefox. Now, can I yeah, pin to task manager. So if I close Firefox, wait, hang on, let me just double check. Yeah, okay, so yeah, here it is. Okay, cool. Awesome. Cool, man. Let's do some self-promoting and go to my own page. Here we go. Awesome. Yeah. Cool. Okay. Anything else? Oh yeah. One thing I did on the previous ones was I installed Spotify and Steam. So let's try to do that. So let's look through the apps and see what we have. So games. Yeah, we have some installed board games and stuff like that. Cool graphics. Wow, yeah, KD has gotten a lot better since I last used it. Yeah, this is a lot better. This is really nice actually. Let's pin that. Cool. App, multimedia, Office, LibreOffice Writer. There we go. Okay. Don't show tips. And close that. Okay. And I want to pin that as well. Cool. And can I move that there? Perfect. Yeah. Yes. Beautiful. All right, cool. Let's see. Office. Anything else? Setting systems. Oh yeah, one thing we need to do is, yeah, console. We need to pin that. And we need to have, I want to have that there. There we go. Okay, cool. All right. So let's see here. Now this is really strange. it asks for the password for root, even though I'm typing sudo. That's really strange. Maybe I should. Yeah, there was something during the installation that maybe I should have kept that. I don't know. It's hang on. Let's do a normal do. Wait, what? Hello? Okay, there we go. Okay, so sudo is right. Okay, maybe it's because I'm not in the sudoers group. Let's see, what's it called again? It's sudo. Wait, what? There's no sudo group? Huh? Oh, maybe it's wheel. Yeah, maybe it's wheel. Okay, so user mod, right? The wheel is okay. Now if I do sudo, no, still still asks for the root password. Okay, I don't know why it's doing that. It's a little bit weird, but okay, whatever. So, but anyway, what I wanted to do was to do, let's see, Jest is the package manager. I know that. List modules. Well, how do I do like the equivalent of an apt update and apt upgrade? This is like for specific packages, and I don't want that. What if I just run Jest? Or maybe it's Jest 2? It's Jest 2. No, that seems to be the same. Okay, so if I just run Jest, what happens? Oh, wow, okay. Wow. Okay. So that's how that looks. How does Jest 2 look? Okay, it looks exactly the same. Okay. Okay, wow. Um, online update. So yeah, online update. Okay. Yeah, it still has some issues for some reason. That's so weird because this is a new installation and it already has some issues that it can it like following actions will be done. See below. Okay, so do not install patch. Okay. Okay, try again. Wait, what? The installation. Okay. Do not. Okay, this is so strange. Am I am I in a loop here? Do not So okay, so patch 2020 1589. Okay. Okay, so I guess we have to. I mean, this is really weird. Like, okay, so now, okay, F10 accept. Okay, okay. So let's run it again and see, because that's really weird. Yeah, these patches, for some reason, it just can't, it conflicts with LibreOffice. I mean, it's a completely new installation. Like, what? All right, whatever. We've updated as much as we can for now. Maybe it's a bug right now in openSUSE. I don't know. So, yeah, yeah, we have to just cancel this one. Okay, so, but what I wanted to do was like, how do we, or is it just you using, or is it something else? Let me Google it. Let's Google it. Maybe we have to, like, if we go to Spotify, okay, and then download. This is in Swedish, so okay. So it doesn't appear to be anything for openSUSE. Although maybe we could do this. Cast. Can we do this? Snap not found in package name. Okay. Snap D. Snapper. No. Hmm. Can you install, like, can you install app? Yeah. Oh, maybe a zipper. Deprecate. Oh, it says there. Deprecate. Use zipper directly. Okay, cool. Okay, so man, zipper is apparently, so okay. Yast is the equivalent of D package. Okay, gotcha. Zipper is the apparently the update command. So let's see. Zipper info, zipper install. Gotta say though, KDE is really snappy. Like, this is a virtual machine and it's obviously 3D accelerated, but I mean, this is really snappy. Like, even with the with the transparency, it's actually really nice. So apparently KDE has gotten a lot better, which is pretty cool. So so much install. Okay, so but is it like zipper? The zipper update. Yes. Okay, cool. zipper upgrade. Okay, upgrade. So update is apparently how you update your system. So yeah, there's no upgrade. Update is how you do it. Okay. Now zipper install snap. Okay, so there's no snap. And I can't install app, right? App-get tools, maybe. No. What if we do? Can we do like zipper? Zipper search for snap, for instance. Snapper. No, that's for snap. No, that's not what we want. We want snap. Doesn't appear to have it. Let's do this. Install Spotify on openSUSE. All right, using the Snap Store. Yeah, but like I can't. How do I even install Snap? Enables. Oh, okay. Here we go. Here we go. Ah, you have to add a specific repo for it. Ah, gotcha. Okay, cool. Cool. All right. All right. Cool. And then do this. All right. And then, right, and then zipper installs empty. Okay. There we go. Okay, yeah, there we go. Cool. Right, and then we have to do the system CCL enable D and start it. Cool. Oh, and we also have to use this apparently tumbleweed users. I don't know if I actually don't know. Okay, apparently I'm not using that, so okay. All right, cool. So snap install Spotify. All right. Let's see if this works. So far, so good. Spotify install. Cool. Now, is it in the menu here? Like if I go to apps and like, I don't know, multimedia. Oh, maybe it's like in, well, if I search for it, is it? Huh. So it's not in here. Spotify. There. Yeah. That's a little weird. Wait, what? Uh, huh? Okay. That's weird. As you can see, Spotify doesn't appear to be. Where is? Oh, oops. Where it's? Yeah, it's not in like user local bin. No. No. Okay, that's a little weird. It said that it installed it. So if you do snap install Spotify, right? Already installed. What about, is it client? No. Okay. I must be missing something. It clearly says that it is installed, but yeah, it doesn't exist. um, um, you then either, oh, need to reboot. Oh, that's why. Okay, slash snap bin added path. Aha. Gotcha. Okay. So if we do, wait, I think yeah, probably wrote the wrong password. There we go. Okay, so if I look at profile, does it say anything about snap in here? No, doesn't. Okay, but let's just reboot it. That's probably the safest bet. Just so that the snap bin the directory is in the path. That's why it didn't work. Yeah. So let's reboot it. I didn't read. Like normal, I'm dingus and don't read the instructions properly. All right. But yeah, I gotta say, this is pretty cool. This openSUSE and this KDE installation. This is pretty nice. Gotta say, actually, pretty nice. Now I might have to do. No, I didn't have to do that. Cool. Sometimes you have to do, like, go out of full screen and into full screen for it to work, but not this time. No. Okay. So. Do we have it now? Yes. Yes, we do. Awesome. Awesome. Cool, cool, cool. Sweet. And log in. Does that work? Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna mute or disable the screen while I first of all I need to open up my password manager because I actually don't remember what password I have. All right, it's that one. Okay, so then log in. And let me just close that one. And there we go. Look at that. Yeah. Now, the first thing I do, I don't want to see this. So display, wait, where is it? See what your friends are playing. There we go. Wallet service. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we'll do that later. Yeah, we don't need to do that now. But cool. And I think you could hear the sound there, right? But let's see if the sound works, which I think it does, which is super cool. The scroll is a little weird though. But, right, here we go. Yeah. Really low though. Wait, hang on. There we go. Alright, awesome. Yep, works just fine. Works just fine. Awesome. Oh, also, Spotify. I wanna. Hello? What? Spotify? There we go. I wanna pin to task manager. There we go. Actually, let me close it so that I can see. Okay, yeah, this is, but I haven't set up. Let me do that later. I haven't set up a GPG key yet. All right, cool, nice. Okay, let's try Steam. See how that works. Steam, I think it's Steam powered, right? Yeah, Steam. Here we go. Install Steam. Install Steam, and all right, it. Yeah, it downloads a Debian package. So I think we have to, once again, maybe we can do it with Snap. Let's Google it. Install Steam on openSUSE. Steam openSUSE. Oh, so it. Oh, maybe it's actually in the repository. So I might actually. Maybe I can just do this. Zipper install. Yeah, look at that. And now it's downloading all the dependencies it needs for Steam. Super nice. Wow. Gotta say, openSUSE and KDE surprised me actually. I didn't think it was gonna be this nice. Yeah, this is nice. I still prefer Linux Mint and Cinnamon though, for desktop Linux, but yeah, this is really nice actually. Really nice. Yeah, KD has gotten a lot better. I remember way back in the day it was not that good at all. But yeah, this is pretty good, man. It actually looks pretty neat and clean, and it doesn't look bloated, even though it required a lot of software. Okay, cool. Cool, man. So, do I have it now? Steam? Wow. Does it work? If this works just out of the box, then I will actually be kind of impressed. Because on some distros, it requires some finicking, stuff like that, you know. On most distros, it works just fine. Like on Debian and Ubuntu and on Linux Mint, it works just fine. But on CentOS and on, I can't remember, some other distros, it was a pain to install theme. But yeah, this so far so good for this. So let's see. It needs to initialize the first time it installs all the dependencies, and it does all the stuff it needs to do and things like that. Yeah, like that. And does login work? Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm gonna use it again, and of course, because I'm a dingus, I closed my password manager like a complete dingus. Let's see, where is it? Steam. There it is. Right, yeah, that's what it is. And then it's, this is a completely random password. I have to make sure I type it correctly. Remember my password. Log in. All right. Cool. It's asking for the two-way authentication process. The key. Cool. Let's see here. Okay. This is exciting, man. Oh yeah, look at this. Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. There we go, man. There we go. Look at that. How cool is that? So I don't obviously have any games installed, but what I do know is that Borderlands 2 works in Linux. Yeah, as you can see, you can install it here. Now I don't know how well it would run in a VM, but at least it works. Super cool. Wow. Yeah, yeah, this was actually really nice. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this recording. We managed to install everything we needed. Oh yeah, one more thing before I leave, which I think I did on the previous recordings, was just to install Tor browser and download Linux and save it. And we can close that. Open the console. I think it's in downloads, right? Yeah, we can remove this. We don't need that. All right, so what is it? It's our Xed Tor browser. No, wait. Is it just Xed Tor? Wait. Oh my god, I completely forgot. Tor XF maybe. Tor. Okay. Maybe that's it. Yeah. Okay, cool. So to browser, and then we'll move these. Hang on. Wait. Oops. Hang on. Cursive. Valley group. Well. What group am I? Oh, it's user. So, wow, it's using the old style. Okay. Okay, there we go. Cool. Yeah, because I don't need to be root for that. Or I actually don't want to be root for that. So, move downloads to browser like those into desktop. Yeah, there we go. So now some distros needed to do some finicking, but no, it seemed to be just working just out of the box. Okay, cool. Because Tor is obviously a really nice browser for security purposes if you want to be anonymous online. Okay, so I have an IP checking site, ip.circ.se. Yeah, and this is, I can tell, this is not my IP. So it's working just fine. Cool, man. All right. Wow, awesome. This was a really pleasant experience for me, actually, with openSUSE and KDE. I'm actually kind of surprised myself. Right, that's going to be it for this recording. And see you next time. Bye-bye.